Garlic, chili oil, oven baked thighs. These are 8 beautiful chicken thighs. It has the bone in there. I enjoy this recipe. It's a little bit on the spicy side, but you're gonna love it. Alright, so once you get the thighs with the bone, you have to make some initial deep cuts on top of the meat, just like that, and at least 2 at the back. Once you do that, have a marination bowl ready and add these right here. This is approximately about 3 pounds of the chicken thighs. Make sure they're not frozen, so this is how it's gonna look from the front. At the back, same way, go to the bone, reach to the bone. At this point, turn on your ovens at least for 400 Fahrenheit. Our thighs are ready right here. Now we will make the marinade for this. This is a bake recipe. It's gonna take us around 40 minutes of your time. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be delicious. I can promise you that. Seriously. You want to use canola oil, corn oil, vegetable oil, you can. But this is the first thing, since it's an oil-based recipe. So we will add at least 8 tablespoons in here. This is Smokey Paprika. You're cooking something in your oven in 40 minutes of your time, and it has a smoky flavor without turning on the charcoals, without turning on the gas grills. So this is approximately about 3 tablespoons of Smokey Paprika. We will add all in here. This is crushed red chili. At least 2 tablespoons goes in here. We'll take table salt. 1 whole tablespoon of table salt. This is our fresh frozen garlic. You want to go by the measurement, right? So at least 15 cloves of fresh garlic. They go in here. Easy thing to do. Let's blend this in our blender juicer. Olive oil and garlic. We have to make a smoothie of garlic and olive oil for our delicious garlic chili oil chicken thighs. Alright, so our beautiful smoothie of olive oil and garlic is ready, and it goes right on top. Follow the same way, my friend. If you love flavors, if you love home cooked food, beautiful thing to do. Just massage it. If you want to use butter in there, you can use butter right here. So remember, we made the cuts. Just make sure you bring everything into the deep cuts, and it is so easy, my friend. Once you do that, instant recipe. The oven will do the job. Here you go. Just land it right here on your baking sheet, on a baking rack, sheet and a rack combo. It doesn't matter how you land it, just make sure you land 4 at one side or 3 at one side and 2 on the middle, whatever you prefer. My thighs are bigger, so the chicken thighs, and my chicken thighs are bigger, So here you go. Look at this. All this beautiful marinade is in here, wonderfully done. We will add at least some water at the base of the sheet so our chicken stays moist, this whole time. Filling some water, and that was the sound of my oven. It's ready at 400 degrees, the chili oil thighs. And here you go. I haven't turned on the light, I'm sorry. We'll put it close to the fire, and here it is. Keep a time clock for 40 minutes, 400 degree for 40 minutes, and I'll see you after 40 minutes now. 40 minutes of our garlic chili oil chicken thighs. Let's take a look in our beautiful oven, right? It's perfectly looking good. How it is, guys. Perfectly done, deliciously done. I have made some rice. Look at this. Rice cooker, rice, some black beans, some mint on top, and it has cumin and salt. This is a perfect combo in 40 minutes of your time. Let's dish out some rice, what we made. These are oil-free basmati rice. I haven't put any oil in there. Grab a rice cooker and you can make this recipe. Very easy to make. You can eat the same thighs with the salad. You can eat the same thighs with just the fruits. I'm just telling you. All right, here you go. One thigh. Okay, it's completely done. It's just hot. So this is how it's gonna look. Make it, enjoy it. I'll see you on the next one. So easy. I shared the whole meal right here, you know. Let me show you this. Woo, man. The garlic is the king. Here's the first bite. Super hot food. Oh my god. Whoa. It is spicy though. Yummy, spicy, delicious. Bye bye for now.